What is up, guys? Welcome to the South Coast. We are in the middle of hurricane season down here on the South Coast, and I want to take some time, get my generator, pull it out, and make sure I can get it running. So, let's take a look at what we got, see if we can get it going. Alright, guys, so this is what we're working with. I bought this generator a couple years ago, probably 3-4 years ago, and I ran it for a storm we had that year, but I haven't run it since. So, I want to see if we can get it going. So this is the Briggs & Stratton Storm Responder. It's a 6,250 watt, basically constant power generator with the starting watts up to 8,500. It's got that 420 cc Briggs & Stratton engine. It ran really well for me the time I did have to run it. Kept it running for several days, and it did pretty good. But since then, I haven't had to run it, or I haven't needed it for power. And to be honest, I just sort of got it put up here in the shop and forgot about it. So I want to make sure that I can get it running. Whenever I shut it down last time and I was putting it away, I did make sure to drain all the fuel out. I ran the fuel out of the carb. So let's get some fuel put in it. We'll see if we can get this thing started up. Always check the oil. Oil's good. Oil level's good, and it looks clean, so we're good there. Alright guys, well that is it. That's all we're going to do with it today. Just put a little bit of fuel in there, got it up and running. Went ahead and tested it out with that angle grinder, just make sure we were getting power to the outlets, and that looks good. It was reading 98.8 hours, so we're almost at 100 hours on this thing. I did do an oil change early on when I first got it, sort of that just a break-in period oil change. So we're good on the oil. I do need to probably check the air filter. That's something I didn't do, but I'll go ahead and do that at some point, or maybe I won't. Not real sure. But yeah, we got it fired up. Wasn't too bad to get it fired up. Didn't have to use any starting fluid or anything, so that's always good. These Briggs and Stratton motors are usually pretty good about firing right up as long as you don't leave fuel in them. So to shut it down, I went ahead and closed that fuel valve, let the engine run out of fuel just to keep from having fuel get gummed up in that carburetor. So it'll probably be about the same process to get it started again later on down the line. I'll still have some fuel in the tank, not a whole lot, but I'm just going to leave that in there for now. At the end of hurricane season, I'll go ahead and get it drained out, just so it's not sitting in there year over year. Yeah, but that's it. We're going to go ahead and get it put back in the shop, tuck it away, let it cool down a little bit before we get it put back where it needs to go. But yeah, that's it. Make sure you're getting prepared if you live in a hurricane zone. Make sure you have all your preparations in place: generator, water, food, batteries, lights, cooking apparatus. If you're planning on using a charcoal grill, make sure you got plenty of charcoal. If you're using propane grill, make sure you got plenty of propane. And yeah, just be prepared. I'll have some products linked down below in the description for this video. Some of my top hurricane preparedness items that I like to have on hand. Those be Amazon affiliate links. If you use those links, it gives the channel a little bit of a kickback, helps me continue to make these videos, helps the channel grow. But everything's the same price for you, so sort of a win-win. So that's about it. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite hurricane preparedness items are. And yeah, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hopefully we don't need to use any of this hurricane season, but if we do, we'll be ready. As always, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.